Today we're going to talk about one powerful exercise for women suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, along with a case study with before-after values in terms of sonography, in changes in weight, changes in hair loss. All these values we'll be discussing on how this one exercise helped this young girl. With patients suffering from PCOS or any of the symptoms of PCOS or symptoms of hormonal imbalance like the irregular periods, the weight gain, which is obesity, hair loss, skin problems, mood swings, stress, scanty menstruation, heavy menstruation, painful periods, abdominal pain, or overall any of the hormonal disorders like hypothyroidism, lifestyle disorders, hypertension, high cholesterol. This one exercise has great results. I'll be also sharing a convenient pattern that one can very easily follow and get the best results. As you all know, at some point of time, patient understands after taking various treatments that it's high time to not treat the symptoms, but it's important to see the root cause. It's important on how we can get rid of the PCOS as compared to just the medicines to induce periods or just the medicines or the multivitamins to reduce the hair loss, skin problems, etc. And this one exercise will definitely help you a lot. So let's understand all of this, the exercise, its benefits, the pattern, and everything in this particular video. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. As you all know, PCOS is an endocrine disorder associated with metabolic alteration with women at reproductive age. It is the most common cause of infertility with physical, psychological and hormonal imbalance. There are 7 tissues of our body as per Ayurveda. The Rasa, Rakta, Mas, Med, Asti, Maja, Shukra. 2 understandings. The first one is that the nirmiti of the cuff, the creation, the proper cuff is made when the Rasa Dhatu is made properly. The nirmiti of the cuff is from the Rasa Dhatu, the first tissue of our body. So the Rasa Dushti, the imbalance in this Rasa Dhatu is seen in cases of PCOS. We have to focus on fixing this Rasa Dushti, first aspect. Second one, if the Rasa Dhatu does not get the right nourishment, the Uttar Dhatus will not get the right nourishment. The blood, the muscle, fat, bone, all these dhatus will not get the right nourishment. Whatever food is taken, it goes towards the Med Dhatu. So Med Dhatu gets the nourishment, there is weight gain that is seen, but the Uttar Dhatus, Asti Dhatu, we see bone pain. Majja Dhatu, we see memory problems, insomnia, stress, anxiety. If we come earlier, Mausa Dhatu, before Med is Mausa, then there is the muscle weakness. Before that, blood impurity. All these are the lakshanas are seen when these dhatus don't get the right nourishment. What are dhatus? What are tissues? Tissues, dhatus are those that hold us. In the part 1, we've understood PCOS 100%. We've spoken in depth about PCOS and we've seen that PCOS is a kaphaj vikar. We need to focus on the cuff in the body to get rid of this particular problem. No matter how severe the PCOS, the symptoms of PCOS, you need to cure the root cause with the help of 3 steps. First, definite diet changes. We've spoken about this in the part video. The link is in the description. Second is the lifestyle changes. And third is the Ayurvedic herbs and the Panchakarma. Panchakarma, the authentic way of getting all the toxins in the koshta, in the GI tract, and from the GI tract, it has to be expelled out of the body. It has to be eliminated out of the body as explained in the classical text of Ayurveda. So one is cleansing, one is herbs to cut off lekhan karya, scraping effect. One is to cut off and reduce the size of the cysts that are present. So before we see the exercise and its pattern, let's understand this case study. So patient 25 years old, since 5 years suffering from PCOS and most of its symptoms, irregular periods, abdominal pain, stress, hair loss, all these were the symptoms. Let's see the before after first. So before, the periods were irregular at 2 to 3 months, which is 60 to 90 days interval was seen irregular periods. When this exercise was started, the first menses came at 40th day. This exercise was followed sincerely for 4 months. So first menses 40th day, second menses it was the 36th day, third menses 31st day, fourth menses 31st day. This is how the periods were regularized. Let's come to the changes in weight. So from the first day to the 15th day, weight was 70 kilos. If we then say the weight from 40th day to 60th day, it was 66.8 kilos. If we see from 105th to 120th day, it was 62 kilo. So from 70, it is on 62. Minimal weight loss, let's say 8 kgs, minimal weight loss compared to the efforts that this girl has put in. Minimal weight loss as compared to her efforts, what maximum inch loss, good amount of inch loss. And whenever in Ayurveda, in an authentic way, natural way, right way, healthy way of losing weight is to lose in inches. To not lose the muscle, but to lose the fat. So good amount of fat loss was seen in her. A feeling of well-being, sense of well-being, feeling of happiness, lightness was seen after she followed this exercise for 4 months. Let's see the before after in terms of stress. So periods were very stressful. On other times, mood swings, irritability, anger was seen. After the program, feeling relaxed, fresh and mentally stable. In terms of the ultrasound, I'll put in the before after values on your screen. These were the before, these were the after values. So good changes seen in sizes of the cyst. Overall, there were great changes. When we spoke about hair loss, there was a hair pulling test that was done and good changes were seen in the hair pulling test as well. One exercise followed sincerely, balanced her hormones, increased the blood circulation, felt more energetic than before. Let's understand this one exercise. It is Surya Namaskar, which is yoga, which is asana. It is the 12 yoga postures, the 12 asanas. In yoga, it is said as Yujayarani Niti Yoga. That which unites the mind and the body is called as yoga. So 12 yoga postures with mind and body combination with focused conscious mind and proper chanting of the mantras, proper inhalation, holding during the posture while you do the posture and then exhale. Breathe in, hold, exhale. Purak, Kumbhak, Rechak to be followed properly. Let us understand the pattern. So it is the 12 yoga posture that makes one round of Surya Namaskar. So either of the one way, I'll discuss 2 ways, either of the one way you need to follow. First way, a difficult way. Here from day 1 to day 7, you do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. 5 rounds. From 6th day till the 4th month, each day you increase 1 round. Not just 4 months, you can continue doing it for best result. But from the 7th day, after it, each day you increase 1 round. 6 round, 7 round, 8 round, 9 round. If you don't have time, be on the 9th. Don't do 8. Be on the 9th, increase 1 round each day. First pattern. This is how she followed. She followed day 1 to day 90. She followed 90 rounds of Surya Namaskar. That quickly she coped up. She increased her speed. 90 days, 90 rounds of Surya Namaskar, and from 91st till 120th day, she continued to do 90 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So day 1 to day 15th, 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. 16th day to 30th day, increase 3 rounds, which is 5 plus 3, 8 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Then from the next 15 days, increase 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar, which is 11. Then increase 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar every 15 days. So each 15 days, 3 rounds are increasing. Each 15 days, 3 rounds are increasing. In the first pattern, it was first 7 days, 5 rounds, and each day later on, the round kept on increasing. So either of the one pattern of Surya Namaskar, very, very effective. There are more benefits seen in terms of the mental health as compared to the physical health. You can take that as a positive sign because mind is the strongest muscle that we require in today's time. It is like the CPU of the computer. So very important Surya Namaskar to be practiced regularly. Overall, if you want to cure the root cause, diet, lifestyle changes, Ayurveda and Panchakarma. This is how we can completely get rid of this. Before you practice asanas, make sure you watch our video on yoga, which is talking about yam and niyam. Yam and niyam are the 2 rules to be followed before practicing any yoga. I'll put the link, all these links in the description box. So do give this video a big thumbs up, share it further. This was all for now. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.